Hello, and welcome back to J1 Visa Consulting, your resource guide for all things J1 Visa related. My name is Avery, and I am an immigration specialist with over 8 years of experience in J1 Visa programs and cultural exchange programming. In this video, I'll be talking all about status versus visa as they are commonly confused. So if you do have a question about any of the content in this video, please feel free to leave a comment below or check me out at j1visaconsulting.com. So for now, let's begin. So what is a visa? A U.S. visa is a document that allows foreign nationals to travel to a port of entry and request permission to enter the U.S. by DHS, that's the Department of Homeland Security, and CBP, Customs and Border Protection. It doesn't necessarily guarantee entry, but states that a U.S. consular officer has determined that the applicant is eligible for a visa. So foreign nationals can apply for a J1 visa by completing the DS-160, which is the online non-immigration application, and then scheduling a visa appointment at a U.S. embassy or consulate. The J1 visa is then placed in the applicant's passport. So Canadian nationals who are applying for a J1 visa don't have to attend consular appointments. Every other country's nationals do. So Canadian nationals can simply present their documents when they arrive at a U.S. port of entry, and then their visa stamp will be written in. So the J1 visa does not permit work authorization in the United States. The DS-2019 form, or the Certificate of Eligibility, that form is what permits work authorization. So next, what is a visa status and how do you check it? So status is the category that the foreign national was admitted as at the U.S. port of entry by a CBP official and the duration of stay permitted as reflected on their I-94 record. So it's both what visa status are you on and how long is it valid for. So a foreign national can check their I-94 record to verify the status that they were entered as. So I'll make sure to put the link in the description box below. If you don't know what your current status is, you can simply enter your information and then it will tell you. Each time a foreign national enters the U.S., they will get a new I-94 record number. So ensure that the class of admission is the correct visa type. So for J1 visa holders, it will say J1. For students, it will say F1. If you're a tourist, it will say B1 or B2. So make sure that it is correct. The admit until date on the form will tell you how long your current visa status is valid for. So if you're a J1 visa holder, it should say D/S, which then directs you to the end date on your DS-2019 form. That will tell you when is your last day when your status is valid until. So finally, I just have some important information. So number one, the expiration date of the visa is the last day that you can request permission to enter the United States. So it does not indicate how long you can stay in the United States for. That's a common misconception. A lot of people look at their visa and say, I have to go because my visa is expired. That's not actually the case. So J1 visa holders can continue to work or study in the United States if their visa has expired, as long as their DS-2019 form is still valid and not expired. In order to renew your DS-2019 form, or extend, I should say, you should contact your sponsor for that. And I also have a video all about that process as well. So if a foreign national wishes to travel internationally and their visa has expired, they will need to renew their visa outside of the United States at an embassy or a consulate. So that's all that I do have for you today. I hope that you did find this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date and in the know for all things J1 visa related. So until next time.